Alright, we're making it out today. Don't know if you guys can tell, but have already been rained on, and yeah, I just need to make it out. I need to make this video, and by need to make this video, I mean I want to make it for you guys. So much stuff has been going on. Main focus of everything has been getting the school bus ready for this trip. We are now 48 hours away from being in the school bus and that being our main roof over our heads for the next couple months. It's been so much work. It's crazy to think that less than 2 weeks ago it was completely empty. Still have a few more things to get all tied up on the bus, but for the most part it is all set and ready. We did think that we were actually going to leave early due to the fact of it saying that it was going to rain for pretty much all this week, but we have been super fortunate that it has not. Luckily got everything that we wanted and even a little bit more. Camaro. But yeah, I've got more than we expected done. Still have to tidy up some things, and we are super excited and just kind of thinking that it was funny last week, and we were like, oh, maybe we'll just leave like during the middle of the week, leave early. No time. So I do plan on showing you guys the layout of the bus as it sits right now in the next video once we have it all packed up and we're actually on the road. Essentially just cram time, trying to get it done, doing a short trip today to essentially update you guys. First of all, the other side of the pillow isn't always cooler. We'll go with that one. But yeah, so I got a Insta360. Thought I was gonna have that on my helmet and have that as my main vlogging camera, and then unfortunately went for a ride with it, and I didn't actually like how the audio sounded, as well as the transitions between light and dark. Obviously riding with mostly back roads like I do, the blacks just started blending in when you would transition back and forth. Like everything on my bike's black gloves, tend to wear black a lot, and yeah, just when it would transition back and forth, everything just kind of like, I don't know, blah, like kind of blended in with each other and you couldn't see the definition. Tank is super dirty because I've been wiping off the rainwater. Basically set my whole helmet up for that to keep it like that. It looks so clean and simple, and got home and looked at the footage and was just like, I'm not keeping that as my point of view camera. So took it off, and luckily also one of my best friends, he sent me the 360 lens. He gave me this lens. He said he wasn't using it. I am so excited because now I have my secondary angle of a 360 camera, and theoretically, like the shot that I got of Mike and I over in Calvert County just doing a spin around, that shot took us like 25-30 minutes to get, and with this it should be like 5. But also I don't know if any of this footage is going to be in this video because holy cow, tried using the app, tried recording at home, just farting around and seeing what it was like to edit it, and I have no clue what I'm doing on their app. I need to get used to it, so I'm going to try to get at least some footage. I really want to go like this and it follow my finger around, but if it works, you guys will see it. So excited that worked out, and just have the whole dream set up for the secondary viewing angle. And also I'm wondering how this is going to look just as a straight secondary one. Also checking out my GoPro to make sure that everything is back and set up how I had it. Getting out, running to a graveyard really quick because for some reason I really like graveyards. So gonna go there and take a picture. Definitely gonna need to clean my motorcycle off before I put it in the school bus. And yes, that brings me to another thing that is gonna be exciting to show you guys, is actually having the motorcycle inside the school bus. The ramp that I have, how I have it all set up and mounted, basically just went all out, and the mounting brackets are to hold a huge Harley or ATV, so the weight limit of it is like 3 times what the motorcycle actually weighs. We'll get more in the details of that. If you guys are interested, let me know down in the comments. It is so beautiful out. Today was supposed to be my last mental rest day. Essentially, it's been saying that it's going to rain all week, so I've been anticipating a just rest day, mainly mentally, because everything is going on. Can't believe, not even complaining, just stating that since it has not been raining, have not had just a relaxing, mental, mellow out day. Everything's been go, go, go. So I've been trying to figure out a way to let you guys know where I'm going to be. So if you guys are interested in meeting up or grabbing coffee or anything, showing me around, that you can, but also a way that's safe for me and my family. And I think that it's going to go down to either DMing me on Instagram or mainly doing Patreon, so that way I can let everyone know, at least who's on there. So yeah, I figure if you guys are supporting me and a part of my Patreon, that you're less likely to want to hurt my family or I. So that's going to be the main source. This is not as exciting of a photo as I thought it was going to be. So yeah, sorry if this video is just a whole bunch of scrambling. Honestly, I don't really know what's going on. Still just so much work getting done. So just gonna make my way back home now. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like it. Let me know if you guys have any information to tell me about either living on the road full-time in a van or a schoolie, or any information on the Insta360, as well as if you guys have any questions for me about a little bit about the Insta360, but mainly about the schoolie. Majority of the interior we have only done in the last 2, maybe 3 weeks, from like bare bone shell. So we've done a lot of work. Hope you guys think it's interesting, and like I said, I will do more of a kind of like a walkthrough next video. Thumbs up on this video if you like it, and subscribe, and let's keep this going, see where we go. It is definitely gonna rain.